You can set this to portrait or landscape mode. That if it's in this section, as you can see on my screen, this is how the display looks like. That's a landscape now. So if you have this attached to your screen, it will be like this. Quite sturdy and solid high definition video, especially when it comes to the iPhone camera. If you have a newer iPhone, for example iPhone 6 or 7, that'll be a plus. Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSC Tech with another video. Today we are going to talk about using an iPhone as a dash cam instead of buying an expensive one. This iPhone is iPhone 5s, and it was sitting around for quite a long time not doing anything. So let's put this to its use. It has seen its glory days when it was a flagship. Obviously now there are better iPhones in the market, so people are using them. So in this quick tutorial we'll teach you how you can repurpose your into a reliable car dash cam with just a few simple steps. Whether you are looking to enhance your driving safety or capture memorable road trips, utilizing your unused iPhone can be a very cost-effective solution. So stay tuned with me, and we will follow along this guide. And the first thing is obviously you need an iPhone which should have an iCloud account. Second thing is you need to download essential apps. For that we have selected these two apps, which is called Car Camera and Car Cam. Let's talk about the Car Camera first. This will give you timestamp, and also it will give you live recording, video history, high definition videos, speed alert, and it has a navigation toggle as well. Let's open the app now. And as you can see, the interface is very simple and straightforward. So here we have the settings section, and the resolution goes up to 1920 by 1080, which is full HD. You can keep it to a low resolution if you have a smaller iPhone, and also you can use this on iPad if you like bigger screen. Let's get back to the application. So then we have the resolution, then we have audio recording, then we have video length, which is set to 30 minutes max. You can do loop recording on them. And then we have display. On display we have the speed tag, which will display speed, time, and then coordinates and distance in miles and kilometers. And in the stats we have the stats of available memory to use on this particular application. Let's go inside the video history. We haven't used anything. Let's look at the video recording itself, and as you can see that as soon as we turn up the device, it will show the date and the timestamp on the top left hand side. Then obviously we are in England, so it will be miles per hour, then the GPS coordinates. So this was the first one. I really like this. And then we have this app which is called MyCam, and again in the settings we have the maximum resolution set to 1280 by 720, then we have 960 by 540, and the buffer interval is up to 60 seconds. Then we have recordings tab here, which is empty. Obviously we haven't used anything, so this is not that great as compared to the one which we have shown you before. Car Camera has a detailed dashboard, and you can use this to utilize your recording needs. So that's it for today's video guys. Don't let your old iPhone or iPad collect dust any longer, but transform it to your valuable car accessory today. You can watch our other tutorials and hit the road with confidence when capturing every single moment behind the wheel. Subscribe to more